Ke India henish teng miet ke la Ther ki nam ding ni ki misail shaki khandai tali ki benta jong ka Pakistan. Ki video bala share ni pensa priang ki nong thok khubor na Jammu bat Kashmir bat pensa priang di ki kattu ka ni ki minister kari India ki pen i ki dorki ki biyo i ya ka jingher ki nam ding ringkat kasur ka basawa jam bat ke jing bethai kum Ther ke Israel hagasa u president ke Amerika u Donald Trump ru ula kren halor ka ni ka jing Ther kari India.
No, it's a shame. We just heard about it just as we were walking in the doors of the Oval. Just heard about it. I guess people knew something was going to happen based on a little bit of the past. They've been fighting for a long time. You know, they've been fighting for many, many decades and centuries, actually, if you really think about it. No, I just hope it ends very quickly.
Ke NDTV ke yathu baki sipai Pakistan kilamat ikajingdu bat jingjat ha Pakistan occupied Kashmir.